Alright, this video is on the 2023 Rav4 Prime SE, and it's specifically to show everybody how you get at the 12-volt battery. If you've looked under the hood of your Toyota Rav4 and you've wondered where the hell is the battery, it's in the back, right here in the spare tire well. Now I've removed the spare tire, and the battery is hidden right behind that hatch, and I'll show you how to remove it. You first lift, it's right under here somewhere. Okay. You pop this loose, and then you work your fingers. There we go. There. Okay. And there's the battery. So if you have a dead battery and you wanted to put it on a charger or something, that's where the battery lives. Now this big black box right there, that's a bunch of fuses and relays, but there is your 12-volt battery. If you want to put it on a charger, this is how you get at it. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you.